Use the left lane to keep left to merge onto H10 West.
Tawang gasolina ta? Nangaron mo? CR?
Keep left.
DVD. Ride your feet no more. Take my horse to the old town road. Ride till I can't no more. Riding on a horse, huh? You can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't me up the porch. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Tell me nothing. You know in my blood, her cheated on my baby. You can go and ask her. My life is a movie, bull riding and booty. Cobble from the Gucci, Wrangler on my body. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't nobody. You can tell me nothing. To the old town road, I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to an old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Head down, fast down, living like a rock star. Spend a lot of money on my brand new guitar. It brings me this far. And my Maserati sports car. To the old town road, I wanna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Hey everyone, we're going to Walmart. Na-erase na yung lipstick ko. I don't feel confident without me not applying lipstick. But I don't have any choice because I forgot my lipstick. And before we came here, we went to Great China to have lunch. Let's go. we're going to buy. What is this? What do you call this one? Basta lalagyan ng damit.
Nasa pa dyan.
Storage and laundry. That one is nice. Maganda to kasi meron siyang gulong. Gulong ng palad. Video na muna. We're heading back to Northeast West. Oops. Look guys, I have Daenerys. It's $9.88. Meron din tayo dito. It's Jon Snow. And our favorite Arya Stark. It's $9.88 each. And the Night King. Night King is expensive. It's 24 point. I already bought a memory card. And we're done shopping. It's raining outside. It's raining, guys. We're here at Kroger. Look, I'm with a different person.
No,
You also have different kinds of, ito pa yung sinasabi nilang plums. These are fresh. Ang kulit-kulit ng kasama ko. Makulit. Malapit na rin palang maubos yung tubig natin. What is this?
it's a refueling station.
Oh, that's what we need. We just found our filling station right here. Pero kasi mineral water yung binibili namin. Hindi kasi namin alam kung saan dito makakabili ng mineral water. Ay, ang tawag nito, refilling station.
Welcome valued customer.
Ganito yung
Scan
pagbabayad
items one
nila
at a time,
dito.
placing them in the bagging area after each scan. $1.69. If you have your shopper's card, scan it
card
now.
lang siya.
Scan your shopper's card, enter your alternate
We are waiting for the receipt. Plates here. We're going out already. Kaya nakukulitan na tong kasama ko. Ano nila dito? So, ganito dito. Tiki isang building sila.
It's one building.
Yeah.
It's one building.
It's one building per store. Hindi katulad sa atin na andun na lahat.
This is one building. It's all connected.
Ito yung isa sa mga sikat na pagbibilhan ng mga damit. Because it's affordable. And we're going home. Papananta. Abaya. Nakalawid ako. Siyempre nagkatang ganita. So, let's go at Ross Department Store. My husband, we're going to buy some office clothes. Hindi masyadong bumibili yan ng damit. At kailangan na niya. So we're going. Halloween. Lapit ng Halloween kaya puro pang Halloween dito. We're going. Ano kikos din ah? $24. Han lang anak ko na. Gatahan ang mga I found a new bag. So cute. May da.
Whatever you want.
Ito. Maganda dito. Pero isa lang bibilhin ko. Kasi wala akong masyadong pera. Cute na mga damit pang bata. Tapay na raman ang data niya. Ayun. Kampas. Ore dito ba't lang nalalaka. So ano. Bibili tayo ng pangsinigang. Where's the bok? Bok choy? Tapa cabbage. Ata ni bok choy? Bok choy. Bok choy. Nag-ano kami ngayon ng pangsinigang. Di ba basi? Ay, day talag tagaya man ta. Mamindwa ta nga ang sinigang. May lalagyanan sila dito. Tcharam! Next. Lalagyan pa natin ng sili. Isa lang. Okay na yung isa? Ah? Then like this. Green beans. Aray? May kamatis pa ba doon? May kamatis. Bili tayo ng kwan. Ito, gusto ko ito. Baby carrots. Pipit! Oh, meron na ako. Dapat ba kamatis ta?
Sebentar kasi gisirap na rin tayo.
I can do that one. I can't do it.
Among amok talaga, plastic. Lang ada kasi napepay sa mga ada Christmas tree na kasi.
But we're not buying one, so let's go.
Ngiri ka picture.
Ano may may
Yan.
Tapos by height.
Oh. Picture pepay sa mga Christmas tree ko.
May isang klase pero tingala ako actually. Dito sa masabali ng klase namin.
Dati white ng Christmas tree.
At dadagigay dito mga kastoy nga among gigasta na hanap pa nga ito. As in nga, nakita ka i-poste po sa nga agpa nga makaungatan.
Un.
Kasi dyan, as in nga pa. Ngayon na bakalo.
Nagbanglo nga road.
No.
Pag alaan lang ito kastoy. Di dyan yan yung bulong dan ipiduto mo.
Nakambili na akong lagyan.
We are going to HEB Plus to buy sili for the sinigang kasi we forgot to buy sili. Isa din to sa pinakasikat na grocery dito sa Texas. So we are already here at HEB store. Tingnan nyo, dami-daming prutas dito. Masasarap yung prutas. My husband is already there. He's buying seed. Apa yang itu dong? Disiuman na pa yung boyfriend ko. HEB na pang yung sa may drive-thru doon. You're just going to pick up. Actually, dina-download yung HEB. They have an apps. Yun. May mga promo din
They
sila.
have an apps.
Ayan! They have apps.
An is singular tapos apps.
Tama naman.
Apps.
They have an app. Yun. Meron din palang cost cutter salon dyan. Pwede akong magpaano dyan. Pwede akong magpagupit. Pero not now kasi medyo maikli pa yung buhok ko. So, dito it's already 7:40 PM. Pero makikita nyo naman maliwanag na maliwanag pa. Yun yung una kong napansin nung bago pa lang ako dito sa Amerika. Yung time zone nila, ibang iba compared dun sa Pilipinas. Ano yan? Yung time nila, yun na nga lang sasabihin ko. think I also need a haircut. Buti pa tong kasama ko, nakapagpagupit na. Pero ako, hindi pa. Tingnan nyo, may nag-exercise dun. Yummy. Where are you going to park? Magandang hapon po. Kayo po ba si Pedro Di Magasangan? Pedro Di Magasangan po. Ito na po yung pizza nyo. I-deliver ko lang po. Wala po ba akong tip? Wala pong tip? Wala na rin pong libreng soda para sa inyo. Asan?